I'm the Glob Glow Gabgala. I love books, and this basement is a true treasure trove. I am the Glob Glow Gabgala, the schwabble double wabble gabble flibber blabber blab. I'm full of schwibble glibber kind. I am the yeast of thoughts and mind. Schwabble dabble glibber glabber schwibble schwab glab.
First I will go over here and drag and drop this tattoo design over here. Then press Ctrl or Command T to transform it and resize it a little. And press enter. Now I will go to layers and change the blend mode of my tattoo layer to multiply. Then double click on it to open up layer styles and simply move the underlying layer slider and hit OK. Now simply move it as required, and this is how you can easily put a tattoo on anyone in Photoshop. I hope you guys like this. Don't forget to like and share.
Create neon light effect in Photoshop. Select the rectangular tool. Stroke should be at the 10px. Ctrl or Command T. Adjust it. Hit enter. Go to the layer. Double click side of the layer to open up the layer style. Click on the outer glow and then hit OK. Make mask. Take brush tool. Make sure foreground color is black and erase off the extra areas. Change the blend mode normal to linear dodge add and check this box. Hit OK. Change the foreground color black to red. Make the brush bigger and softer and dab once. Paint on the face and side of the cloth. Go to the layer again. Double click side of the layer. Take this underline slider to the left. Hold Alt option to make the transition smoother. And then hit OK. Go to the adjustment layer icon again and then choose color lookup. And that's it. And that's the way you can create a neon effect in portrait.